train your Excel sheet for more data. Just provide some more data, 2 to 3 rows data, and then use Control E. So just that thing you need to keep in your mind, that if your Excel flash fill is not working properly, then just train it more and then use Control E. Okay. Let's say I have country and pin code here. So if you see, I am trying to add data like this, country plus their pin code. So I'll delete this information. Now I'll again select the data. I have provided this data. Again, I want to flash fill for remaining rows. I'll select this and then Control E. This is how you can just do the flash fill of your data. I hope this is clear to everyone. We have one more flash fill. So I am just opening that sheet. Now, do you guys know, like this is very simple. You might have used it before, that let's say I am having values like, here I have 10. If you want to drag and drop to another rows, how will you do that? If I want to fill 10 more rows with value 10, how will you do that? It is very simple, very basic thing.
Drag the small box on the right bottom.
Correct. Just drag and drop it to the big value. This will drag and drop the data. Now, I don't want only 10 values. I want 10, 20, 30. With a gap of 10, I want the values. So how will you do that? You will just write 10, 20 and just select the data, both 10 and 20, and then again drag and drop. Now you are having values with gap of 10. Similarly, let's say I want to decrease the values. I am writing here 10 and 5, and then I want to decrease the values. Just drag and drop the data. Okay, let's say you want something like gap of 2. So I am having 102, and here I want 104, and I want to repeat with gap of 2. So what you can do, just select the data and drag and drop. Now you see all the values are in the gap of 2. This is also called as flash fill, when you want to fill the values based on the value that you have just provided in any of the cell. Similarly, not only with whole numbers, this works with some text values as well. Let's say I am writing a default series, which is month series. So I have written January, and I want to, then I will be returning, let's say I'm writing only first 3 letters. So here I am writing Jan, and here it is Fab. Now I want to just have the values of all the series. Can you see we are getting the all the months range here? Why we are getting this? Can anyone tell me if you have any idea how we can get this? How Excel knows that this is the series of months? Anyone? Any idea?
No idea.
Okay.
Formula function,
No,
inbuilt function or formula.
no, we have not applied any formula here. I have just written, let's say I'm writing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, weekdays. Okay, here I have written Monday. Now, if I drag and drop Monday, I'll get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Why? Excel don't know that what is weekdays. So I'll tell you, this is also called as flash fill, but this is a flash fill on existing list that are available in Excel. I'll tell you how to do that. Let me just scroll up a bit. Let's say, okay, one more example. Let's say here I have got weekdays, I have got months, days. Now I want some cities. So let's say I am writing Pune and I want to drag and drop it. I am not getting the range. Why? Because this list is not available in Excel. This list is available in Excel. This list is available in Excel. This is not available in Excel. This is something that by default it is calculating. You have provided gap of 2, so by default it is calculating the information. But what about the list? How we are getting these lists? So in Excel, you can create your own list.